I'm gonna go there and then maybe just I should get out. Well, I can just get out there and then go forward. Well, we have to go this way, you know. I know I did that in my equipment. Make sure it's not blocking it. I'm sure this I can just do this. The other one I can do this. It's recording, so that's good. I'm not gonna be playing, one time I can actually. I did say I was gonna take the ferry. But it's probably after me a chance. Everyone else is not gonna be there. That's sad. How? I wonder if Daniel's coming. I wonder. Wait, I did see. He might be there. I mean, I saw the pictures from the last one. What happened? I'm so excited the first one. Not just that, but I didn't know about that. Wait. No, I didn't really know about that. No. I mean, I've seen pictures of it, but not like not anything about the event. So that's actually pretty special. So probably do the 510 or 520 trip because of 410 I can't. It ends up 4 on my way. I mean, I want to actually, whatever it's gonna happen after, 850 I think is the last trip. And then and I work, so I can't really, I'm gonna make sure my power bank's charged. My black bag is in the closet. I'm gonna add another power bank. Yeah. Wow, he ran a red light. Wow, ridiculous. That was some business too. Ridiculous. This is why Vallejo, California is the worst city to live in the whole in the Bay Area. I hate living here so much. No laws. No one cares. Everybody does whatever they feel like doing. I'm sick of it. I'm more scared than anything,
Variety from the 2000s, the 90s, and today. Star 1013.
Nice one.
I'm at a party I don't want to be at.
I do want
And I don't
something.
ever wear shit to try to
Apple juice. I know they have a bottle right now.
Nobody's even looking me in the eye. You take my hand, finish my drink, say, shall we dance again? You know I love you, did I ever tell you? You make it better like that. Don't think I fit in that.
I don't know, that guy's under the influence like usual. Around here it's pretty normal.
I always feel like I'm nobody who wants to fit in. 'Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby.
So to race, I haven't seen that, but I don't doubt it. Look at the potholes, or stunts and all that. I'm sure. I mean, I'm sure it's partly one of the many causes of a pothole. Anybody can live this dump of a place. I really don't know. That's becoming ridiculous. Yeah, the RV. All middle part of the parking lot. It's all a bunch of RVs and useless people living in there. Come on. Oh, let's gonna quick do our car wash too. Yeah, I want to vacuum. I need to see the vacuum first before I'll do that coming back. See, I just want to see if you have. Oh, I don't have cash. I'm gonna see how you that was fast. It's like some last song sometimes. Like it's going super slow. Past the intersection. It used to be a food truck there last year, but I don't know, this isn't every day, this is whenever. It was named up to that movie. Yeah, it's blue, and that's what I remember the color.
Woodland Point Avenue, Herndon, Virginia, 20171. Reference LVET-CA. No phone calls, please. Again, send a resume to J. Hinschlager, Senior Manager, Global Mobility Volkswagen Group of America, 2200 Woodland Point Avenue, Herndon, Virginia, 20171. Reference LVET-CA. No phone calls, please.
Okay, so are you in summer mode yet? Have you bought your swimsuit or booked a vacation coming up? A lot of us are intimidated this time of year, but I will tell you, squeezed.com and juice cleanses, the number one most common benefit people experience is weight loss. And I gotta say, I had so much energy. I did the 3-day cleanse a few times. My skin looked nice. I lost a couple inches in my waist, and the juices are delicious as well. They do free local delivery with the code radio. So use my name at checkout, Sandy at squeezed.com.
Very few things are possible.
I know something that's impossible.
Okay, tell it.
Having a big event and not creating.
Okay, but it's easily fixable.
Oh, I get it. All I have to do is point.
All you have to do is point.
Junk from a party or celebration or holiday.
Jump for moving in or for moving out of a new place.
We make junk disappear.
All you have to do is point.
Call 1-800-GOT-JUNK.
Or visit 1-800-GOTJUNK.com.
At one end of the spectrum, you have the soft shimmer of a pearl.
At the other end, you have the dazzling bright white light of a diamond.
And in the middle are red, yellow,
And green.
red rubies,
Blue sapphires.
yellow gold.
And green emeralds.
Perfect gifts to celebrate the perfect partner.
Natural wonders from Mother Nature.
For the natural wonder that is your partner.
Happy wedding anniversary.
From Shreve and Company.
Traffic light cycling way too
In
fast.
Palo Alto, Shreve is
Yellow,
perfectly
they
situated
turned
in the
to
Stanford
green,
Shopping Center.
Didn't even touch red. Like,
It sure is.
and it
But
did
on
a
top of
second
that, gas
cycle,
prices have
like,
been skyrocketing.
like, what
I
the
can't believe
heck?
how expensive
Guys,
gas has
way
gotten
too
recently.
fast.
Prices at the pump are up, but I never pay
Yeah.
full price for gas anymore. I just use the free Upside app that pays you cash back for every gallon of gas you buy.
Wait a minute. Are you saying you actually get paid cash when you buy gas with the Upside app?
Yes, I get real cash back every time I buy gas.
Does that actually add up to anything?
I've made around $200.
Wow, that's serious extra cash. I'm downloading the free Upside app now. Download the free Upside app now to earn real cash back every time you buy gas. Use promo code GOLD for a
This
$5
is supposed
bonus
to
on
go
your first tank. That's
over
promo
there.
code GOLD. You can cash
I
out
don't even see
anytime
how
right to
this
your bank
can be
account to
possible.
PayPal or an e-gift card for
Supposedly.
Amazon and other brands. Just
That's
download the
American
free
King
Upside
on
app
that
and use promo
side.
code GOLD for a $5 bonus on your
Technically,
first tank. That's code
borders
GOLD for a $5 bonus.
Hey, what's up? We are 98 Degrees, bringing you some summer fun with iHeartRadio. Picture this, you and your special someone in paradise at the luxury included beaches, Turks and Caicos. Drink in your hand, toes in the sand as we serenade you.
You'll hear all of your favorites and some new music too. All in celebration of the 25th anniversary of 98 Degrees.
Listen all weekend long right here for your next chance to text and win this iHeartRadio once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Courtesy of Beaches Resort and American Airlines.
This is Star 103 with more variety from the 2000s.
From the 90s.
And today.
On radio, smart speaker, or the iHeartRadio app, this is Star 1013.
Oh, please tell me blocking store at night. Were they? Oh no. Yeah. Guess they got broken into. American chain. I still can't believe that was the police doing that. That was just to see when the police acts like that, you know something's wrong. Yeah, I wish the marker I can use. That's what Hazel was talking about. I told you how many times I don't want to drive, but you still freaking force me to, so. Oh no. Damn. I just need that. Yeah, it's supposed to detach